walking through and showing you guys more like how to dump and little tips and tricks. So we're gonna be doing waste connections, Python on trash. So 1 is out, 2 is grab, 5 is back, 3 is up, 4 is down, 6 is open claw. I'm doing like both because waste connection only has trash and recycle. So I did yard waste and trash in the same truck, in the same color cans. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. This will be more of like a shorter video, but I'll speak to you. And I was gonna say, if you notice in the top, my fuel bar isn't going down. I have the unlimited fuel game pass, so that's just something. Python garbage truck. This one I'm driving. I'm not sure if that's the name, but I'm pretty sure it is. They're one of the more difficult trucks to drive. So I recommend if you're a newer beginner, I do like a ARMP or a ZR is an easier truck to drive if you're starting off. This is collect garbage for fun, the game is. And then if your truck kind of like stops, like I don't know what's happening, you could press Q on your keyboard and that will like downshift it, and E to upshift on your garbage truck. And then if you hit right here, this bottom thing, it says controls. These are all your controls. So if you're playing on controller, click up here and I'll show you all your controls. Okay, so this is how I said. If you have any questions, let me know. So I'm gonna finish off the street and I'm gonna go to like all like the other bits in the other part of the game. Like I don't know why my truck is acting up. That's something that's not normal. So if that's happening, I recommend you respawn your truck. Let me know what company you want me to do next. Or if you want the ID code, I can give you the ID code for the truck. Okay, so I'll finish off this last house. Okay, so let me show you like other little details in the game and stuff. So if we go right here and we pop up this menu, we have spawn vehicle, dump garbage. This is for the game pass if you have it. I have it, so just click that and I just dump out my garbage. Map, that's your map. And then manage helpers, menu, market. This is like codes to if you have a code for the game. And then this, so you can like you can complete things to get rewards, little gem tokens things. Anyway, if we go to menu, there's plays, that's how you go back to the game. This customization, this is all your different cabs you could get. So there's like this cab, all these different ones, Peterbilt, all these different ones, Mac, old car, old one, all these. And then there's all the different trucks. I do have the premium, so there's gonna be some of these trucks that you're not gonna have in the game. Any of them that says premium, you won't be able to use. But if they don't have it, you could use them. I'd recommend for like a more of a beginner, these trucks are easy. And the ZRs, which are, where are they? These. This is also a really easy truck to drive. Anyway, if we go to other configurations, there's compressed natural gas, which is this up here. This tank can be pressed off. It won't show it up there. If you press on, it has it up there. Rim shine, like that changes your rims. License plate, I don't know why mine's like that right now, I don't know. This is the arm speed. So all these arms, if you click it faster, the truck will go this speed. And then paint colors for all your garbage bins, everything. And then the stripe design, that's mainly it there. And then if we go to options, up here to local, or look, yeah. This is camera shake, game music, menu music, UI sounds, gear shifting, swap mobile controls. I'm not sure what that does. The chat announcements, and then the server's trash refresh time, you could turn that off. So if you're gonna be playing for like over 45 minutes, your trash won't refresh on you if you're slower. Then there's a daylight cycle. So if you don't want any of these, like I recommend just turn them off if you're gonna be playing for a long time. Same thing you could do with your light. So you could change out like the time, weather, and then if you have premium, this is your different terrains. If you have premium, that's mainly it for that part. And then if you click spawn vehicle, that will spawn your vehicle. And then like how I showed you with the arm speed, it'll change your arm speed to go faster and slower when you change it. So that's mainly all I got. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.